welcome to Way of Fishing. This is a side video for today's trip. We're out here smallmouth fishing. I'm not a big cat fisherman, but I want to show you guys something. This is the James River. It's infested with those blue cats. I don't really like them, but we're gonna do a quick catfish video. There are no catfish videos on the channel. So what I've got one of my saltwater rods. It's the Cast King that I reviewed in that other video. I've got one of those red-tailed creek chub sucker minnows or something, whatever they are. They hit inline spinners, so it took a while to get one, but we got one. So we're gonna try to get a catfish. If we don't get a catfish, that's the only piece of bait, so I'm not spending time to catch anymore because it's fall and they're kind of hard to come by right now. So let's see. So this is my saltwater rig. I've got a saltwater popping cork because I don't have any floats big enough to float a whole creek chub. I've got a big old circle hook. Actually, I tied a drum rig on the bottom of this. It's got 40-pound shock leader to 20-pound braid to a drum rig and a bait monkey popping cork. There's a big old carp right here. Yeah, I think that bait's getting a little nervous. There you go. God dang. God dang it. Wait, I went under something. Oh, you kidding me? Here's a catfish with my line. The catfish with my bobber just swam past. Yep.